And welcome back, you math wizards of Virtual Room 502. Let's take a look at problem 2 of the concept development. It says analyze the estimated difference of four expressions with subtrahands close to the halfway point. The numbers we're subtracting, they're close to the halfway point. All right, let's not only do estimates, but let's do the actuals. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, we are going to be copycats. Oops, not a good copycat. Here is a good copycat. All right, let's start off with 349 minus 154. And what I'd like you to do is estimate to the nearest hundred and then do the actual. Maybe I'll do the first one first with you. Okay, is this closer to 300 or 400? Well, if you remember, the halfway point between 300 and 400 is 350. This is less than 350, so we're going to go down to 300. How about over here, 154? Is it closer to 200 or 100? The midway point between 100 and 200 is 150. This is greater than 150, is it not? Yes, it is. So we're going to, it's greater than 150, so we're going to round up to 200. 300 minus 200, you know it, 100. Now let's do the actual. 349 minus 154. Go ahead and pause this recording and try that one on your own. And welcome back. I hope you paused this recording. I hope you gave it a try. Even if you didn't get it right, it's worth trying on your own. 9 minus 4, 5. I can't take 5 tens away from 4 tens, so we're going to decompose. Bring 10 tens over here. 10 tens plus 4 tens is 14 tens. 14 tens minus 5 tens is 9 tens. 2 hundredths minus 1 hundredths is indeed 100. So we have 195. Not very close. 100 and 195. Our estimate was 100. Our actual was 195. Let's try another one. 349 less 149. We'll see what this equals. Let's do the rounding. I'm not ready to let you do this on your own. Let's think about it first. So 349, we've already determined it's would be rounded down to 300 because it's less than the midway point. 149. We're going to round down, right? Because it's closer to 149 than it is to 200. It's less than the midway point of 150. 300 minus 100 is 200. Time to find the actual. 349 minus 149. Go ahead and pause this recording and try it on your own. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome back. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 1, 200. Look, how could that be? Rounding was the same as the actual. Sometimes that happens. Let's do 3. You know what? Let's get a new piece of paper out. We're going to do 351. Excuse me. 351. And once again, we still are copycats. Minus, excuse me, not 351. 351 minus 154. What are we going to round this to? 351. Is it closer to 400 or is it closer to 300? It's above the midway point by 1. So we're going to round up to 400. 400. Are we going to round up to 200 or down to 100? Remember, the midway point between 100 and 200 is 150. That's greater than 150, so we're going to round up to 200. And what do we get? 400 minus 200. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2, and we get 200. Let's do the actual. Let's see how close we are. Go ahead and pause this recording and do this on your very own. If you get it wrong, it's okay. You can come back and check and see what you did wrong or incorrectly. It's okay. That's the way you're going to learn. We learn from our mistakes is an old saying. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And welcome back. I can't take 4 ones away from 1 1. Going to decompose those tens. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 4, 10, 9, 8, 7. I can't take 4 tens away from 5 tens, so I'm going to have to decompose this 100. 10 tens, which is 100, plus 4 tens is 14. 14 minus 5, 13, 12, 11. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 is 9. And 2 minus 1 is 1. 197. Look how close our estimate was to our actual, only 3 away. One more to go. 353 minus 149. Let's see what's going to happen here. What would you round 353 to? Remember, the midway point between 300 and 400 is 350. That's greater than 350, so we're going to round up to 400. Okay, 149. The midway point between 100 and 200? If you said 150, you're absolutely right. So this is one less than 150, so we're going to round down to 100. Rounding down. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 1, 3. We have 300. Let's find out what the actual is. 353 minus 149. Go ahead and pause this recording and do this on your very own in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And welcome back. I can't take 9 ones away from 3 ones. We're going to decompose. 10 ones plus 3 ones is 13 ones. 13 ones minus 9 ones is 10, 11, 12, 13 is 4. 4 tens minus 4 tens is 0. 3 hundreds minus 100 is 204. Look how far apart our estimate was from our actual. But sometimes that happens when the subtractions are close to the midway point. Just the way it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas and caballeros, please take a little break, get a drink of water, take a little snack, say hi to mom and dad. Tell your little brother or little sister to get on the ball and make sure they're watching their teacher in a virtual classroom. Or maybe do some jumping jacks, touch your toes, run around the house, and then come on back for Concept Development Part 3. This, again, is the awkward part while I wait for Screencastify to pop up so I can hit the stop button and stop